Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best home and lifestyle gadgets so you can spend smarter. Today, we're bringing you what might just be the best carpet cleaner machine portable for stains. The BISSELL Little Green Mini Portable Carpet and Upholstery Deep Cleaner. It's compact, affordable, and packs more punch than you'd expect from something this size. Let's jump right in. Out of the box, the BISSELL Little Green Mini includes everything you need to tackle messes right away. You get the cleaner unit itself, a 4-inch tough stain tool with a removable lens, the Hydro Rinse self-cleaning hose tool, and an 8-ounce bottle of BISSELL's Little Green formula. At just 7 pounds, this thing is super lightweight. Its footprint is small too, measuring 10 inches deep, 13.5 inches wide, and just over 12 inches high, making it ideal for storing in closets, cabinets, or even under a sink. The cleaner comes with a 16-ounce clean tank capacity and a 12-foot cord, giving you decent range for quick cleans. One standout feature is the Hydro Rinse self-cleaning tool. It helps keep the hose fresh after each use without needing to take anything apart. Unlike some more premium models, this one doesn't come with multiple specialized tools or a pet hair remover. But what it does include is more than enough for spot cleaning carpets, upholstery, stairs, car interiors, and even pet beds. Let's put it to work. We poured coffee and ketchup onto this car seat and let it set for a bit. After spraying the solution with the tough stain tool, scrubbing lightly, and then using suction, most of the stain lifted on the first pass. After a couple more swipes, it looked good as new. The suction power is surprising for such a small device. And the BISSELL Little Green formula not only lifts the stain but also removes odors instantly. This machine may not be meant for large areas, but for targeted stain removal, it's incredibly efficient. Once you're done, just hook the hose up to the Hydro Rinse tool and let it flush out leftover debris and solution. The removable parts make it easy to rinse and keep clean, and the compact design means it's easy to tuck away until the next mess. If you have kids, pets, or are simply prone to spills, the BISSELL Little Green Mini is a no-brainer. It's not meant for full room carpet cleaning, but for targeted stains and small areas. It delivers results that punch way above its weight. And remember, every purchase helps support the BISSELL Pet Foundation, which helps save pets in need. That wraps up this hands-on look at the BISSELL Little Green Mini. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another review here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning.